Loading snacks.
Welcome on my loaders and snackers. It is I, Coop, giving you some more movie news. Now let's just kick it off into the Blu-rays and DVDs that are coming out this week. We got The Hateful Eight by Quentin Tarantino. Awesome movie. If you love Quentin Tarantino movies, definitely check this one out. We got Concussion with Will Smith. Didn't see it, didn't hear a lot about it, you know, as mainstream as it was. That was Oscar stuff though. But I mean, if you like Will Smith, I'm pretty sure you will like this movie as well. We got Archer Season 6 coming out on DVD and Blu-ray. If you love Archer, pick it up. If you missed the last season, pick this one up. I'm pretty sure the season's already out or it's coming out soon. And finally, we have Point Break, the remake that is coming out as well. Pick up all these movies. I'm pretty sure you'll enjoy every single one of them. Now let's get right into the movie trailers. Not a lot of big movie trailers that hit, but the big one that actually made me really happy was the Lego Batman the Lego Batman movie. It's definitely something to take a look at. We caught it while we were watching Batman vs Superman. I'm pretty sure if you see that movie, you'll see the trailer or just catch it on YouTube. Another one you should definitely check out is Deepwater Horizon with Mark Wahlberg. It's an oil rig movie. It kind of just saves the secrets for you. Just check it out. You'll definitely see for yourself. Now, today on movie news, nothing really interesting happening surrounding movie news except for Batman vs Superman. We'll definitely get into that later though. Check that out. But I personally want to talk about a movie that I recently saw, Zootopia. Now, Disney has a great way of sending a message into their Pixar's and Disney animated films, whether it's like, you know, be true to your friends, don't be jealous, you know, little stuff that, you know, kids can live their lives by. But Zootopia definitely hit a lot of audiences of all ages, with me personally, when they pretty much discovered discrimination in this movie. If you don't know, Zootopia is about a little rabbit named Judy Hopps. Zootopia covered a serious topic that we all see now on TV, social media, which is pretty much discrimination. Don't want to give too much of the movie away, but it was just pretty much preys versus predators, and the predators are pretty much living their lives the same way the preys are. You know, these animals are evolved just like us, so they're living their lives the same way we would. So to see the way they went with the discrimination, how all predators are not animals or savages that are going to eat the preys, you know, just try to see it in that aspect of, you know, don't look at us, you know, don't judge a book by its cover, pretty much. I definitely would say if you're taking your child and they're, you know, of age to understand this subject, definitely talk to your kids about it after the movie, and, you know, because it will raise some questions. I've seen it twice, and even with my nieces, they've asked, you know, certain questions that, you know, you definitely had to be talked about. So definitely check out Zootopia. You'll definitely learn something, just like any Disney or Pixar movies will just teach you any life lesson that you should always live by. Well, that's me, that's Coop, and that was movie news for this week.
Loading snacks.